Hey guys, this is Krishna from Digital Contouring. In this video, we will going to learn how you can create texture text effect by using Canva. Few days back, I saw this effect on Instagram, and the effect was created on the Photoshop. And I was working and I was thinking how we can create this effect on Canva, and then I found out how we can create this effect, and I will show you step by step guide in this video how you can create texture text effect by using Canva. So let's get started. So now we are in my Canva dashboard, and I'm going to create from the scratch this particular effect, and I'll show you how you can create. So I'll just select here create a design. From here I will select 1080 by 1380 custom dimension, and from here we will create from the scratch. So I will show you how you can create and which particular element you need to use while creating this particular design. And there is only one keyword we will need for creating texture text effect, and I will show you. So here I will just, this is Canva base canvas, blank canvas, and I will select its color to my brand color, which is 006077, and I'll add my text here. I will just select my brand font, which is Antonio Bold, and I will add texture text effect, and from here I can make it uppercase all text. I will just increase its size so you can see properly, and from the spacing option I will just adjust its line spacing. So now its line spacing is too much, that's why I'm adjusting. And here you can see the space, extra space is there, and E also extra, and make it left alignment. Now yes, so now this text is covering my page and you can see properly. So now what you just need to go to element here, and the keyword for this getting texture effect is texture. Just type texture in the element section and move your cursor to the graphic section here, and here you can see these are the, so this is available in Pro, these textures, and we are going to use this. And make sure you are using this element on the top of your text, then only you can get this particular texture effect from in Canva. So, and next thing you need to change its color. So once you add your element inside your text on your text, then you need to do resize this particular element according to your text, which whatever text size you have used in your particular page. And then third step, you need to change its color to the background color. So I'll show how we can do that. So I'll just rearrange this, resize this particular element size like this. Here you can see, and from here I will make it to the background color. So now you can see, I'll just zoom this screen full screen, then you can see the texture effect on the particular text I got from this particular effect. Now here you can see, I'll just duplicate this page and delete this particular element, and I'll use this one. Here you can see, just need to arrange its size, make it to background color, and you can also reduce its transparency, so you will get more realistic effect like this. So this is how simple it is. You can create this effect. I posted this particular tutorial on my Instagram page, which is Digital Contouring. You can follow me on the Instagram, and I got a very positive response on this particular tutorial, and in DM some people asked me to create video tutorial also, so that I created this video tutorial for only and only for you guys. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share. And I just want you to create your version of this texture text effect by using this particular tutorial. Now you have the tutorial, and just use this, create your version of the texture effect and share with me, and you can tag me on my Instagram channel, which is Digital Contouring. Thank you so much.